This Google Pomely update is insane. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your Pomely content into animations. This is brand new, it dropped literally days ago, and it's going to change how you make animated videos. Google just added animation directly into Pomely. Watch this, let's dive in. Alright, so Google just dropped something absolutely insane with Pomely, and I'm talking game-changing. This is one of those updates that makes you stop and pay attention. They just added animation, real animation, not just static images anymore. You can now take your Pomely content and turn it into actual moving animations. This is huge. This changes everything about how you create animated content. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Let me explain what's happening here. Pomely just launched a new feature called Animate, simple name, powerful tool, and it's built right into Pomely. You don't need any other software. You don't need any animation experience. You just use Pomely like you normally would. But now you can make your content move, and we're talking smooth, professional, on-brand animations. Here's the big deal. Up until now, Pomely was for creating images. Beautiful images, detailed images, but they were static, they didn't move. If you wanted animation, you had to export your images, then import them into another tool, maybe Adobe After Effects, maybe another animation software. Then you had to figure out how to animate them yourself. That whole process took hours, sometimes days, and it required technical skills most people don't have. Not anymore. The new Animate feature does it all inside Pomely. You create your content, you hit Animate, and Pomely turns it into motion. No exporting, no importing, no switching between different programs. Everything happens in one place. This is what makes this update so powerful. It takes the friction out of the process. It removes the technical barriers. Anyone can now create animations. Think about what this means for content creation. You can now make animated explainer videos. You can create animated social media posts. You can build animated presentations. You can design animated stories, and you can do all of this without leaving Pomely, without hiring animators, without spending weeks learning animation software. The Animate feature handles it for you. Let me break down how this actually works. You start by creating your content in Pomely. Same process you've always done. You design your scenes, you create your visuals, you build your story elements. Once you have your content ready, you access the Animate feature. It's right there in Pomely's interface. You select what you want to animate, you choose your animation settings, then you let Pomely work its magic. The AI processes your content. It analyzes your designs, it figures out how to bring them to life, and it creates smooth, natural-looking animation. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Pomely. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab. Now, here's what makes this different from other animation tools. Most animation software requires manual work. You have to set keyframes, you have to adjust timing, you have to tweak motion paths. It's technical, it's time-consuming, it's complicated. Pomely's Animate feature simplifies all of that. The AI understands motion, it understands how things should move, it applies that knowledge to your content automatically. You get professional-looking animation without the professional-level complexity. And this isn't basic animation we're talking about. This isn't just sliding images across the screen. This is actual movement, characters moving naturally, objects interacting realistically, scenes transitioning smoothly, the kind of animation you see in professional videos, the kind that usually costs thousands to produce. Now you can create it yourself in Pomely. Let's talk about what you can actually animate. Pretty much anything you create in Pomely can now move.